Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. Hope you had a good Thanksgiving. I know that was a couple weeks ago. Anywho, today we're going over the Govee outdoor up-down lights. These are going to replace these sconces here, and these are colored lights, also with they're RGB, also with white, so you can do just regular white, change the warmth, and then do some color effects and whatnot. Anyone who has a Govee app or Govee products knows how this is. So since Christmas is coming up, instead of stringing lights all across my roof and breaking my crazy neck falling off the ladder, I decided that I'm gonna try and not electrocute myself and put these on. So these have used matter, which I don't know what that is. Don't use it. It works with the Echo device, and it has it works with Google Homes. This here is the 2-pack. I had to get an extra one, so they sell them single, so I have 3 lights, so I'm going to replace those. It should be fairly easy. If you're not used to doing electrical work yourself, please contact a licensed professional electrician. Electricity is no joke. I have replaced these several times, so I'm somewhat comfortable with it. Plus, I always have a little tool to make sure there's no power, and so far, so good. Anyway, but before we get to the install, let's go to
what's in the box?
Okay, what's in the box? Oh, strong tape. All right, this is the 2-pack, so I get 2. They also sell it in the 1. You get a user manual, how to install your device, and that your journey begins now for the app, because this is app-based. And inside, you get your sconce, or your wall light. And you can see it has a lower and upper light, and then a diffuse light on the sides. And then you have your 2 wires here. Remember, this is a hardwired fixture, so if you're not comfortable doing that, you're going to need to contact a licensed electrician. Then you have your back plate. So basically you take off your old sconce if you have one, and you replace the plate with this and wire it up, and boom, it should work. And if you are going to do this by yourself and you're not an electrician, please turn the power off to the breaker so you don't fry yourself. So I'm going to go get this installed. Okay, so we got it installed. Just finished putting some silicone around it. Look kind of good. We'll see how they look at night. I'm expecting them to look decent. But yeah, I mean, they're subtle, kind of modern. I like. Okay, we got the lights installed. It wasn't very difficult at all. Put some caulking on it so it shouldn't be bothered by the elements. I really like the way they look. They're just not so flashy until they're flashy. So anyway, they're IP66 rated. They're 2700 Kelvin to 6500, and then they're 1200 lumen. So they're pretty bright. The side ones aren't very bright. That's kind of that diffused light that's on there. But the top and bottom portion are fairly bright. I like them. They're enough to illuminate your driveway and your garage area, or wherever you might want to put these. You could put this on your back patio maybe, and it'll be very nice. So what I do like about them is that, well, I don't have to string lights up anymore. I can be lazy. During the holidays or during festive times or whatever it is, you can have these be colored, have a little dancing show through the Govee app. But then when the festivities are over, the holidays are over, it can go back to being a functional light to light up your driveway and your garage. So basically you're getting two for the price of one. And I think that's really cool. It's something that's practical during the course of the year, and then something festive during those holidays and whatnot. So I do like that. They're not very expensive. I believe they're $229 for the 2-pack, but I got it on sale. From Amazon. These were not sponsored. They weren't given to me. I had to purchase them with my own money. So today's sponsor of this video is once again me. So anyway, if you found this video good, or you liked it, enjoyable, interesting, whatever it may be, hit the thumbs up, please. Consider subscribing, because 98% of you who watch my videos are not yet subscribed. Please subscribe. The holidays are here. That would be a huge gift for me, and I would really appreciate it. Speaking of gifts, I want to say to a viewer who has commented that I say whatnot too much in my videos, and that I should figure it out or find another word or phrase to say other than whatnot. And whatnot. So I'll work on that. Maybe I'll figure something out. But anyway, I'm gonna leave you with a montage of these lights at night. And I wanna thank you for watching, and enough said, bye.